There's this one fruit in Ayurveda which is the king of all herbs. It pacifies all three doshas, it is the king of rejuvenation, and it helps in healing your overall body. What does it do when it enters your body? What is its impact on doshas? What can you use it for? And what is the best form of amla that is beneficial for your body type? That amla is a rasayana in Ayurveda. Rasayana is anything that nourishes your ras dhatu, which is the first tissue form. It has strong anti-aging properties which gives you the longevity and overall health benefits. Its virya or potency is cooling in nature. That means it is already a great pitta pacifier. On top of that, its post-digestive effect, that means its vipak, which is the ras or taste after digestion, is also sweet, which is cooling itself in nature. Amla is dry or ruksh or light or laghu in Ayurveda, which makes it great for those who are trying to lose weight or boost their metabolism in general. It nourishes your tissues, especially your ras, which is your plasma, rakta, which is your blood, as well as your reproductive tissue, which is called shukra in Ayurveda. The tissue nourishment is just one property of amla. It is a great detoxifier because of so many tastes present in this one single fruit. Let's understand now how does it balance each and every dosha starting from Vata dosha. Because of its sweet taste, amla has a very nourishing, soft effect in your body, and it detoxifies your body without irritating the pitta in your body. That means it will do Agni Deepan, rekindle your digestive fire, it will clear out the toxins from your body without really irritating your gut. Moving on to Pitta dosha, which is the heat in the system. Amla, again, because of its sweet, bitter and astringent taste, helps pacify pitta to a great extent. For people who are looking to boost their metabolism, reduce their sluggishness and remove the excess mucus in their system, the light and dry nature of amla can balance out the excess kapha present in your system as well. Amla is a great immunity booster. It builds ojas, which is the essence of vitality and longevity in your body, and by doing that, it indirectly enhances your immunity automatically. Amla is known to improve your digestive health by rekindling your Agni or digestive power and detoxifying the toxins present in your intestines. For those who suffer from acidity, gas, constipation and indigestion, adding one amla to their diet can really help cater to those particular symptoms. Moving on from this, we also know that amla is great for skin, great for hair, as well as perfect for eye health. It is called Chakshushya in Ayurveda. That means catering or strengthening your eyes from within. For those who have constant eye problems or irritation of eyes, adding amla to their diet can really do wonders for it. It nourishes the Rakta Dhatu quite efficiently. Because of this property, it is great for skin as well as hair. Specifically for those who have thinning of hair as well as graying of hair, amla does wonders. It can create a very good environment for your hair roots to go back to its original color. And yes, regular use of amla for a long time is really beneficial for reversing graying of hairs. It is a great liver detoxifier. These tastes are generally good for your liver, and by detoxifying your liver, automatically your digestion improves, your blood health improves, as well as absorption of nutrients like iron, calcium or any other micronutrients in general will improve because liver is taking care of itself. One of the things that people don't know about amla is that it is also a great aphrodisiac and is known as virshya. That means improving the health of your virya. Virya is your shukra dhatu, or specifically semen health is improved by using amla. Shukra dhatu, when it is improved, automatically fertility, longevity, vitality and strength in both males and females is increased. Amla is great for those who want to regulate their HbA1c as well as their blood sugar levels. So how can I incorporate amla in my life? Number one, if you're somebody who can bear the taste of amla, have it as a fruit itself. One fruit per day is enough. Number two way that you can incorporate amla is using a powder. About 1 to 3 grams of powder with warm water every day is enough. Number three, capsules or tablets. 1 to 2 tablets depending on the formulation or as consulted by your Vaidya is enough for the antioxidant action required in a day. At home, you can also make amla pickle, amla murabba or even amla candies and dry them out, especially for your kids. We particularly believe that amla in the form of amlaki rasayan is considered very good, especially for child growth as well as teenage years growth. For those who are looking for that strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action, amlaki rasayan is considered one of the best additions to somebody's life. So if you are somebody who's looking for a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action, amlaki rasayan is considered one of the best formulations out there. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at the number on the screen and consult a Vaidya for all your specific problems. So whether you're looking to boost your immune system, nourish your skin, make your eyes get improved or improve your health in general, amla is that wholesome food which gives you the power to take on everyday's challenges. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel because we are the ones who are giving you the best authentic Ayurveda updates out there. And do like, share and comment on this video. Do tell us in the section how you have incorporated amla in your life. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.